As you can see, there is 12 items that's saved under the text folder. And next steps, what we want to do is to change the folder's name, showing the invoice number only. And then we want to get rid of all the client IDs and the client name. So we're only showing the 6 digits invoice number in EDIAT. So what we need to do is we'll use the Excel VBAs to write some macros, and once we run that macro, it would help us to change all these PDF files named immediately in a second. The first steps, we will need to use a Excel template that we would have designed to contain all these buttons to click. Let me show you first. So as you can see, it is an Excel template to include all the invoice name, invoice number, and then the client ID, client names, email address, and so on. So what we need to do is we change the invoice path. That means there is a folder path that will save all the invoice. So we go back to the folder, and then we single click the bar here, and then copy and paste this location. Then we go back to the templates to paste the location path here. After that, we can see that the column D location and the file path has all changed now. Okay, and then there is some magic button called change files name. Actually, I assign it with some macros in the background. So that means if I click it, single click it, then all the PDF file saved in this folder would all names of this file would be changed as only showing the invoice number. So let me show you how it works. I just move the screen here in another side. At the same time, I would minimize this Excel file, adjust this Excel file screen. Okay, so you can see both the file name, file folder here, and our Excel template here. So what I would do now is I will click the change file name button, and then you can see the magic. Let's do it. I have already single clicked it, and you can see the folder, the file name has already changing to left, and then after finish, it will show you the warning that all files has been renamed by invoice number. Then we click OK, and then all process are finished.